How to hide following list on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Peepin Besnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can hide the following list on Instagram. Well, basically the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide it through. First things first, what you'll have to know is there is no any option to hide your particular following list or follows list. However, you can do so. You can hide or you can set your profile to private, and this way your non-followers, anyone that is not following you, won't be able to look at your following and list. And even so, if they want to follow you, they'll have to send you a follow request, and until you accept that follow request, they won't be able to look at your profile. Now the question is how you can do so, right? You want to simply open up your Instagram. You want to tap on the profile at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen. Head into settings. Under settings, you'll find the option privacy, and under privacy you can see the very first option that says private accounts. So tap on it, and now you can see it says business accounts can't be private. So you want to make sure that your account is not business or it's not professional. You want to make sure it's to personal account. In order to do so, you can head into your accounts option there. If you scroll down, and then you want to head into accounts option, and if you scroll down here, simply tap on switch account type and switch to personal account. And once you do so, you'll be able to set it to private. So this way you can hide following list or followers list on Instagram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.